Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mr. Pauly Shore.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. It's good to be here on Mad TV, but I have a question. Why is it called Mad TV? Shouldn't it be Happy TV? Aren't you guys happy? So I just decided for the next hour, I'm gonna call this show Happy TV. Happy meals, happy trails. Don't worry, be happy. Woo! I'm doing Happy TV, man.
You just say enjoy the show here.
Come on, man. Happy is as happy does.
This is not a monologue.
Come on, just get into it. We could be together, man. Come on. It's okay.
Stop. Seriously, this is not a monologue.
Look,
okay?
you're just mad because I got my own show, and you're just another cog in this angry show's machine, man.
You piece of...
Whoa, dude, just relax, man. Exhale. Dude, just... No, take it down to 55, man. See that right there? That was a bit that I did on my new sitcom called Pauly.
You wanna go? You wanna go?
Come on, don't start with me. If you keep messing with me, I'll tell Rupert.
Non-stop fox.
Do you guys see what I'm talking about, Mad TV? Come on, you guys, enjoy the happy show! Outstanding!